Now question 11, find the value of x. First part, minus 2 raised to power x equal to minus 32. For finding the value of x, first of all, we need same base. If bases are same, the power will be equal. Remember this rule, if bases are same, then power will be equal. Remember this rule. So we have now base 2 and here we have minus 32. So 32 by prime factorization we can make power 2. Already we have done in previous question by prime factorization. So minus 2 raised to power x, factors of 32 you can find, divide by 2, 16, again 2, 8, then 2, 4, then 2, again 2. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 2 raised to power 5. It will be 32. 32 is written as only in power notation. Then now bases we have done same. Follow this rule. Bases are same, powers will be equal. Now bases are same. So if powers are equal, then we can write in this way, x is equal to 5. So we have to find this value of x. Value of x, this is 5. This is we have to find. Next, second part of the same question. Five raised to power x, then 125. Again, minimum base we have 5. 125 can be written as in power notation having base 5. So 5 raised to power x. 5 raised to power 3, it will be 125 because 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125. So directly you can use it this way, 5 raised to power 3. Again, same bases are there, power should be equal. So x raised to power, x is equal to 3. This is the answer. Next part, third part of the same question. Minus 4 raised to power x is equal to 1024. Now we have to make base 4 minus. We have to find prime factors 1, 0, 2, 4. But 4 is not a prime factor. 4 is composite number. But we need 4 base. So directly we can use 4 because we have to use need only power notation. So we can use 4. So divide by 4. 4 2s are 8. 2, 4 5s are 24. 4 6s are. Again divide by 4. 4 6s are 1. 4 4s are 64. 16, then 4, again 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 having power 5. We can use here 2 because prime factorization, according to prime factors we should use only prime numbers, but in this case we need 4 as base, that's why we have used 4 here. So minus 4 raised to power x, then minus 4 because already here minus raised to power 5. Bases are same, so power will be equal. X raised to power, x is equal to 5. This is the answer. Then question number 12. Question. Now values are given. If a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2, then find the values. Then find first part, a minus b whole power a. Values are given a and b, and equation is given. So first of all, we'll replace the value of a and b. Instead of a, we'll use 3 by putting the value of a 3 and minus b, value of b, it will be 2. Again a 3. Now solve it. 3 minus 2, 1 power 3. So 1 is the answer. Then second part of the same question. A plus b power b. Again replace the value of a and b. Instead of a, we will use 3, b 2, and power also b. This will be 2. Now 3 plus 2, 5. 5 raised to power 2. Then answer will be 5 5s are 25. Now next two parts you can do.